Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. In this video I will show you how to create KPI dashboard design. Draw background 1920 x 1080 x using rectangle, pick the color from the swatches, go to Object Lock Selection. Draw circle 1000 px and inner 800 px using ellipse, as shown in the scene. Draw a vertical separator line using line segment. Select and go to Rotate 360 degrees divided by 8 is equal to 45. For equal 360 degrees distribution, Ctrl+D to duplicate. Select all and go to Pathfinder Divide. Select the object, ungroup and apply color with eyedropper. Draw circle 100 x 100 px with ellipse and select color from the swatches. Copy and paste in front, change the dimension to 120 x 120 px and opacity to 50%. Draw indicator handle 50 points with line segment, go to stroke and change the width profile. Enter text with Type tool. Draw points with line segment. Select and go to Rotate 360 degrees divided by 60 is equal to 6. For equal 360 degrees distribution, Ctrl+D to duplicate. Select each point, change the color tint. Thanks for watching.